Everywhere I look, people are like, I built an app with AI and now I'm making millions. And I'm sitting there thinking, bro, be serious. So I thought, why not test it myself? I'm taking my $1 million app idea and turning it into a real app using only AI. Best case, I get rich. Worst case, I get a cool app and emotional damage.
Emotional damage!
And no, I'm not buying a Lambo. Unless this actually works. Here is my $1 million app idea. Honestly, I don't have such an idea. But we have ChatGPT. I'm just going to ask, give me 20 profitable and creative app ideas. No, wait. Give me 20 profitable and creative $1 million app ideas. Okay, ChatGPT is cooking now. AI Career Cloner. What it does. You upload your resume to LinkedIn, and AI creates a career twin that applies to jobs, customizes cover letters, and negotiates offers. This is garbage. Creator Comment Monetizer. Nope. AI Reality Check app. What the What it does. You type a life goal, AI brutally breaks down why it will or won't work and what to fix. No, I don't want to traumatize people. Digital Afterlife Manager. Bro, what? Manages your digital assets, passwords, messages, and videos to be released after death. There is no way. This AI suggests me this. Who would want to do that? I'm not going to release my videos, and especially my browser history, to the public, even after I'm gone. I think ChatGPT is on something. Okay, this one is a good idea. AI scam detector for social media, but it's too complicated for me. Silent Meeting Analyzer is just boring. AI Personal Finance Therapist. Well, this is not new, bro. I need new ideas. Explain It Like I'm 10 app. What it does. Turns complex topics, finance, tech, law, into ultra-simple visual explanations. Here we go. This is a $1 million app idea. Let's go with this, huh? Now that we have a $1 million idea, all we gotta do is create this app. As I mentioned earlier, we are going full AI. I don't know much about coding, even though I have a computer science degree with a 2.1 GPA. However, I'm using ChatGPT to build the code and Composo AI to build its UI. For those who don't know what UI is, it stands for User Interface. For a brilliant app idea, we need an eye-catching and next-level user interface. Before I enter my brilliant idea into this AI, I need to make a detailed prompt. That's kind of boring. Therefore, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do that for me. Make a detailed prompt to generate a full functioning app for this idea. Then, boom, here is the idea. Honestly, ChatGPT is a part of my life now. It knows how lazy I am. Okay, here we have our detailed prompt. I did not expect a long prompt like this. This is like an essay. It's too long. But when you think about it, this is a brilliant app idea, so it must be all the important details. So I'm going to copy this whole script, and let's go back to Composo. Okay, let's create a new project first. Okay, now in this prompt box, let's add our app idea. The whole thing, I'm just going to paste here. I'm going to select this one screen at a time option. And this is mainly a mobile app. Let's select that as well. And as the theme of this app, I need to think of a color. Blue color is good for education, so I'm going to go with this blue color. I think it's going to be similar to Twitter's color theme. That's kind of cool. And what do we have here? Design Max and Fast Mode. Woo! With Design Max, it's high quality design and slower. I'm not in a rush. And I need quality stuff, so Design Max it is. Now I'm going to let this AI cook. Okay, it took me exactly 1 minute. I don't know for sure. But this app looks sick. I'm just going to go to this preview option to take a closer look. Okay, everything looks amazing. But why stop at one design? Let's make several variations and pick the best one. I'm going to go to this variations feature. Let's set the design mode premium. And I don't want to change the concept because I love the concept. Let's change the style only. And for the creative range, we are going all the way up. We have 3 new designs. The first one looks like a car sale. I don't like it. This second design is pretty cool. And the third one is also not suitable for this concept. So, out of all these 4 designs, I love this first one. Now, I want to change several things, so let's edit this user interface. Let's select this edit option. Here, you can select the full design and edit it, or you can edit only the parts you want. I'm going to edit this header part. This is a simple logo I generated using ChatGPT, and I need to add this logo to this interface. What I'm going to do is upload the logo image to this and simply type to add this logo before the name, and let's see. Okay, it's done, and this logo is so good on this app. Now, this editing process is really easy. I'm going to go to this global edit again. I want to see how this app will look in dark mode. Let's just type it as well and regenerate. It looks amazing. I mean, the customization process is super easy. All you need to do is just type what you want to do, and it's going to do it. With this manual editing feature, you can edit the code, but this is for the coding people. So if you know about coding, this must be super easy for you. But for me, I'm not going to touch it. When the editing is completed, we can download the files by going into this export option. You can select the application type from here. This is a mobile app, so let's go with it. The interface I need is the first one, so I'm going to remove the other 3 variations. So now we can download all the files for my new app. We have Next, React, iOS, and all the versions. It's so simple. Wait, let me show you another cool thing. I have this user interface idea for a different project, and I downloaded this design from a free pic. So if I upload this image to Composo AI and simply tell it to make a similar but unique interface as this example, it's going to do it in several seconds. That's really amazing. So if you have any idea or example UI design, you can upload a picture. Even a simple sketch would be okay for this process, and you can easily generate your idea into a reality. Now, let's continue with our app creation. Now, I'm going to go to Claude AI, and I'm going to upload the UI interface files we just downloaded. Okay, I'm going to simply type, "Help me to build this mobile app idea using the given UI design. The ideas are as follows." And then I'm going to add the app concept to this to complete the back end of this app. Okay, we have some questions, and I think we are good to go. So, Claude AI, you can proceed now. It looks like the code for this app is generating. Okay, here is the final app concept with our custom UI design, and it looks amazing. And that's how easy it is to create an app with AI now. All the links to the AI tools that I used in this video are in the description, so I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you in the next one.